The new 2021 Audi SQ7 could be known as a strong, not silent type.
Last week we shot another video at Audi. This time we shot the 2021 Audi SQ7, first one in Manitoba. The goal of this video was to promote the fact that it is here and to try to grow interest and awareness about the vehicle. We usually shoot walk-around videos in our delivery bay, which is lit quite nicely with overhead lighting there, but we decided to do this one in their underground showroom. And the reason being is because we wanted to turn off all the lights and kind of shoot a more epic video.
We're trying to create some sharp angles with some of the lights. So you can see the shadows being cast onto the ground. I don't know if you can see them on the screen, but they're kind of framing the vehicle, kind of mimicking the angles of how the car is parked.
For me, the reason the shoot was exciting is because I'm a huge car guy and a big Audi fan, and we got to be the first to be hands-on with this 2021 Audi SQ7. But the secondary reason is also because we got to use a bunch of our new gear, which includes the motorized slider from Edelkrone as well as the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K 6K. Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K. Cinema camera. Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K. The reason this was exciting is because we got to use their new motorized slider from Edelkrone as well as their Head Plus and our new Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K. So as exciting as it was to use the new slider, we did run into some issues. One of them being that the camera with the glass, with the Edelkrone head and the slider was way too heavy for the tripods that we had. So it was a little sketchy and it would like tip at the very edges of the slider. So we literally had to hold the tripod down to make sure it doesn't tip. So that was okay, like I mean we worked with it, but the biggest issue was definitely the fact that the app kept disconnecting from the slider.
I'm disappointed. Edelkrone, I am so disappointed.
Yes.
Literally every shot we would take. So you'd literally have to take a shot and then disconnect the app. It would disconnect, then you'd have to shut down the slider, shut down the app, boot them back up, and then connect it again.
The slider is great, except for the worst part about it is the app. It's like buggy as hell, so we just have to keep resetting the entire system and reconnect it to the app.
Austin, is this the last time restarting the app?
No. This is like 10 more times after this.
So we are now officially at 6 hours with one car. Usually it doesn't go like this. It's much smoother, but we've had quite a few issues with the Edelkrone and shutting off these lights in here.
The other hiccup we had is we were trying to figure out how to shut off the lights in the downstairs showroom without shutting off the lights for the whole showroom because the wash bays are in downstairs as well. So we don't want to, like, you know, keep the wash guys washing cars blindly. So usually you'd get like breakers, but since this is like a multi-million-dollar building that has, you know, like that's been built like in the last 2 years or whatever, it's a very modernized system and it's literally a computer, like a little like screen thing that you have to like click through to go through all these relays and circuits and stuff like that. And literally myself and another manager at the store were trying to figure out for a solid 15 minutes flicking random lights on and off to try to figure out which one would actually shut off the lights in the downstairs showroom.
What does the car sound like? Oh yeah, I heard the yeah.
So all in all, this was an awesome shoot. I mean, I love working with cars because I'm a huge car guy, but even like to get creative and to kind of do something new with a regular client like Audi Winnipeg was really exciting. So thank you to Audi Winnipeg, thank you to the Prolix crew. This was a fun shoot and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like this video, hit that subscribe button, follow us on Instagram and YouTube at Prolix Media, and we'll see you next time.